In a colorful forest filled with tall grass, glowing flowers, and bright mornings, a playful squirrel lived among the trees, always jumping happily from branch to branch. Nearby lived a gentle deer with a kind heart who cared for everyone in the forest. Every day they met near the river to enjoy the beauty of nature together. One day, a strong storm came and washed away the squirrel's food supply, leaving her sad and alone beneath a tree. Seeing her tears, the deer decided to help without hesitation. He gently carried the squirrel on his back as they searched the forest together for food. The squirrel used her sharp eyes to find fruits hidden among the trees, and the deer safely carried them to a secure place. Soon, the squirrel began to smile again. That day, all the forest animals learned that when a small squirrel and a big deer stand together, hope never disappears, and true friendship can make the world brighter and more colorful. From that moment on, the forest felt warmer and full of joy again. Even the smallest kindness proved that hope can grow anywhere.